Can you delete your TikTok profile photo? Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to find out if you can delete your TikTok's profile photo or not. First thing first, open up your TikTok application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you just need to simply head over to your profile icon at the bottom right. And once you get here, tap on the edit profile option to change your profile picture or potentially try to delete it. So if you tap on this change photo option or just the profile option, here you'll get a pop-up saying take a photo, select from gallery or view photo. There is no active option saying to delete. So instead of deleting, what you can try to do is take a photo and take a blank picture of a black screen. But if you don't want that, you can select a photo from your gallery and then you can download any kind of default picture or search for default photo on Google and download it from there. I've already downloaded it, so let me show you guys. I'm just going to select the picture from gallery. So here is the picture that I'm talking about. This is a default profile photo. I'm just going to select it and then tap on next. And now you're just going to have to adjust this to fit it on your profile like so. And once you fit it perfectly, you should be good to go. Now tap on save and your profile picture will now be saved successfully. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.